yeah, look what we got in the shop, guys and gals. Look at that badass girl. That's Hula Girl. Yeah, Hula Girl. 1979 F100. There's the Hula. Man, check it out. Nothing like an old short bed. Dang, this thing sounds healthy too. 351. And boys, let me tell you what, Shane, you can't smell it. Oh God, it smells so good. She's got some race fuel in it. You see what I gotta do? Yep, gotta put a new roof on her. This one's full of Bondo. And boy, it is rusty. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull the windows. I'm gonna right there like that. Like that. Get my measurements. Put that one on. Oh. Oh man, this thing sounds good. Oh, solid too. I hope I don't find too much on this old girl. I hope it's just the roof. Look at that. You got AC in it. Sweet. Hula Girl. I think it's talking. I get to work on it for the next couple weeks. Do my magic. Alright, everybody. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up button. Follow me. The more followers, the better. If you really like what you see, hit the stars button. The stars button is awesome. Alright, guys. Peace.